guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So today I thought I'd make a few more lovely little paper clips. I found some cardboard as I was having a rummage through my stuff, some corrugated card, so I thought, oh, I could use that and make some little embellishments. So I thought I would make some more paper clips, and these are so simple. If you've got cards and you've got a little punch, you can just make these so simply. So what I've done, I've punched out, or I've got my big Sizex machine and I've cut out these shapes. So I've just cut out some hearts, some circles and some stars like this. I've got two different circles sizes, two hearts and two different stars. So I've just cut a bunch of those. I've taken the top sort of layer off so you get the little messy bit underneath, and then I've just gone over with a bit of gesso, just with a little dry brush over the top, just to give it a little bit of, you can see all the texture on it. So that was super easy. And then what I did, I've got some bits of fabric. Now I've got sort of like this silvery grey, which is really lovely. It probably looks quite dark to you, but I think it looks really nice on here. I've got some tiny little gems on there as well, and just a little word. So I think they look really nice. I popped a little paper clip on the back, so these will look really nice on a little card, one of your journals, Christmas journals, something like that, on a little present. I think they are just gorgeous and so simple, and they don't cost you anything to make. Just all the little bits that you've got in your craft room. Now these are the words that I use. I've just got a pile here, which when I print them out, I just pop them into here. So I just print some out onto like tea stain paper, and then I have a collection of like wish, believe, peace and things like that, so which are really nice to put onto little embellishments like this. Now I've also cut out the same shapes in a piece of card, and that's just to back it, to put the paper clip on. Now the Sizex machine that I have is the really old one. Now I've got the new one as well, but I just love my big red Sizex machine. It's got some basic dies. This one is my star, so you can see it's got 3 different stars on there. You can see that I've used it, it's got glitter all over it. But it's so simple to use and so uncomplicated. So this is the circle one, and then I've got this lovely little primitive hearts on there. So I just love it. So I don't know whether you guys have got the red one. It's so old. I had it when I was in the UK, and I've been away probably about 23 years now in Spain and Portugal, so I've had it quite a long time. So look, you can see I'm all filthy today. Lots of gesso on my nails. So I'm going to show you how to do these. They are lovely. So what should we do? Should we start off with a little heart? Let's take a heart, a star and a circle out, and then we can have a little one. Should we do one of each like that? Oh, and we need the little stars as well. The little stars just to go on the top, just like this. Where's another one? I've cut out lots. So let's start with the heart. Again, you can use whatever colours you like. You don't have to obviously use grey, just use all the little scrap bits of fabric that you have. I'm going to use my glue gun, just put a little bit of glue on there like that. Take a little bit of fabric and just squash it on, just any way you want to do it. Hanging off the sides is great, because it's just stick it on. I'm going to stick a little star on there like that, just pop that there. There we go, and that's that one done. Actually got glue everywhere. Again, I'm going to do this. I'm going to pop a little bit of glue on there, little bit of fabric, stick that on there. Whoops. Little star. Again, you don't have to use stars, you can use buttons and all sorts of things. I think I'll try and put that one in the middle like that. This is a great way to use up little bits of a corrugated card. Now we all have packaging. It's coming up to Christmas, so I'm sure you've all got packaging as well, which you've ordered bits and pieces as gifts. So let's just stick that on there. So these are great to add on to your gifts, aren't they? Little star. I'm going to pop the star just down there. And then this little one, let's have a little bit of glue. Just stick that, just wrinkle it up. And a little star on there. Perfect. So there we go. How quick was that to make 4? Now I'm going to use, I've actually popped some silver sort of like gilding wax sort of stuff. I don't know what this is. This is one from Stamperia, which is, yeah, it's an antique wax. I got this from online from a Spanish store that I use because it's easier for me to get hold of. So I'm just rubbing it on there just to give it a little bit of silver, just a little bit of a shine. I'm not quite sure whether you can actually see it, but oopsie, it does give it a little bit more of a shine, like this. Now I have got a new cutting board underneath me today, because my glass one reflects so much that I have to sort of cover it up, and it gives me sort of like less working space. So I'm trying out the pink one today to see how well it works. So I will see when I've finished filming, see what it looks like. So that's some wax on there. Let me just try and wipe that off my fingers. And then I am going to back these. So I've got a little bit of card here. I've got a paper clip. Now I'm going to just pop the paper clip in the top like that. And then I'm going to pop some glue on. Again, I'm just going to pop it on with some glue gun glue, but you can pop them on with whatever you like. Stick them on. Stick that over and just squash it down. These are so quick and easy to make. Let's see, let's have a star. Now we need to put that in the gap. That just fits lovely in there. And then what can we do? Have it so it clips on that way. A little bit of glue on there. Just make sure that they glue on quick and easy. Like that. Perfect. Little round one. Now this little round one just fits like that. I'm not quite sure how big that is. So this circle is about 2 3/4 centimeters, which is what, about an inch. It's about an inch. So that paper clip just fits lovely. Go on there. Put that on. And then we have the bigger one. The paper clip on. Little bit of glue. And then which way should we have it? Should we have it like that? Then I can put a word along that top bit, can't I? That's it. Perfect. See how quick and easy they are to make? Like that. Perfect. So, what should we have? we could have dream along there. Let's put love on the heart because I think that looks lovely on there. Now, I don't know what I did with my other scissors. I've got my big ones here just to chop around these. Tiny bit of glue. Oops, what did I do with that? Did that drop? There it is. It's so small I couldn't see it. And we're going to stick this one up there like that. So look at that. Isn't that nice? Let's have a look. Cut this off. Little piece on here. We shall put that on with the star. You might have some Christmas words that you could use, but these are my tiny little ones which fit really nicely on here. Now, it would help if you put them the right way. I'll have to put them on the middle. And remember where your paper clip is, so they're not all sideways. That's nice. Little one I'm going to leave because I think that's a bit too small to put anything unless I've got a tiny little word. And then I think we will have believe on here. Glue stuck to my fingers. Make sure we're the right way round. And then that can just sit on there like that. Perfect. I think these are gorgeous. And then what we can do, we can add a few little gems. Let's pop those over there. So I'm just going to stick them down with a little bit of tacky glue. Whoops. So just pop a few little blobs like this. Just on there. Another one up there. Get my little tool. Just take, can get some gems out. Just got glue on the end of this one. I was doing it earlier. Got some little ones and just put the bigger one down there. See, can you see? You can probably see them better when they're dry. Pop a little bit of glue on here. What should we have? I think I might just put a big one there. I just think these are so pretty. Which way up does that go? This way. A couple of little gems. I just love these gems. The things I use are generally in my Amazon storefront. So if you see things that I use, I try and put them in there whenever I can. So they're generally in there because I know these are in there. And then let's have the believe. Oops, get that out of the way. A little bit of glue there. There. Put one down here. Maybe one up there. These on. Oh, I forgot how much I like these little gems. There we go. So I love them. So there we go, guys. How simple is that, and how easy is it just to use up a little bit of corrugated card, a little bit of gesso. We've got some lovely gilding wax on there, which is silver. I'm not quite sure whether you'll be able to pick it up, but they are really, really pretty. and I think they're lovely, and I think that on a card would look absolutely gorgeous on a little gift card. Or yeah, you could, if you're making little gift cards, you can make a little envelope and pop these on the top as a closure. Wouldn't that look pretty? So I think they are lovely. So there we go guys, quick little tutorial for you using up some scraps. I'm going to sit and make a few more, so I got a nice little collection. So there we go. So thank you so much for joining me. Have a fabulous rest of the day. Take care, stay safe, and I will see you soon. All right guys, bye bye.